Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it's Best here with my second round of new features in the iOS 4 software update. Just came out for iPhone and iPod Touch users, so let's go to jump right into it. If you haven't watched the first video, I'll put the link at the end of this video here. You can go to see those first set of features. All right, the first thing I'm going to show you is the unified mailbox here. So let me go back here to the home screen for the mailbox. And this is basically a unified mailbox. If you have multiple email accounts, just like I do, see Gmail, Yahoo, Soldier Knows Best, that's another Gmail and all that good stuff. I can go here simply to all inboxes here to my unified mailbox and be able to scroll everything down in one shot. Very simple, very nice. And also you can also search through your inbox as well. It's just the messages that you received, that's a message that you sent, just by subject or by all. You can easily search through there and find your individual conversations that you have with certain people, or just your individual email threads, which is pretty good. Let's go into the Photos application here. And what we're looking at here is the new Places. Now this was first introduced in iPhoto on the Mac desktop here, but now it's made its way to the iPhone here. And so basically it's showing you, I got some pictures here in Missouri and also some pictures that I took in Vegas. And I simply want to go to those pictures here and I click on them and see it, and these exactly, just remember exactly where you took these pictures at. It's pretty cool. Very nice. And so that's Vegas right there. And that's Places and the new Photos. And also what I'm going to show you are, and I'm going to the Spotlight search. Now one of the things with the Spotlight search is, if you're looking for something and you know it's definitely not on your phone or something like that, you can actually just start a search on the internet, on the web, just like that. So I'm just going to start typing something. And now it gives me the option to either search Wikipedia or search the web. So if I go ahead and search the web, it'll open up whatever search engine that I have. In this case, I have Bing as the default. And it'll open that up and I'll be able to search by that. Or you can switch it to Google or whatever you want to use for your default engine there. Now I will be switching back to Google, even though Bing is pretty nice. But I kind of like Google a little bit more. All right, well, next I'm going to show you the iBooks application. Where it is at? There it is. Now here's the iBooks application. It's a free application you can download right now. It wasn't available right away, but it is available for download right now. And if you have a lot of books, you can search through them if you want to. You can change the layout of it. Also, if you open up the book, it works just like it would on the iPad, just like it does on the iPad. Swipe to flip the page just like this. And if you want to highlight or you want to search a word or look for it in a dictionary, just double tap it. It'll bring up some options so you can highlight it for future use, or again, like I said, search for it in a dictionary if you wanted to. And plus you can also, you have the same amount of features here. You can adjust the brightness right here in the application itself, just in case you're going outside or you're inside in a dark place. You can change the text size. You can do all the things that you could have done in the on the iPad version for iBooks on the iPhone. And actually, reading this on the phone is not too bad at all. The text is really crisp and clear. I can't wait to see how this looks on the iPhone 4, but it looks just fine. And let's say too, if I go into I'm in the text messages application, or if I'm in an application where I can change the orientation just like this, you can now lock the orientation. So say if I just want to keep my orientation just like this, you double tap just like you would access to go into multitasking, and make sure I get the phone up here in the camera. And sit here, this is a little button right here. This is the orientation lock. So you hit that, and now you're not turning at all. So you can close that. It's not going to be turning at all. It's set and sturdy right there. So that's the orientation lock that they add into the iOS 4. And also, if you're in like the Notes application, you can also now has correction here. So if you start typing something, whatever it pops up, and you probably know it's wrong, you simply hit the space there, and then you'll see there now it has a little red underline there, so you can tap on that, and it'll give you a suggestion about what may be the right word there. Simple stuff like autocorrect or spell check, so you'll find anything else. But I think that is about it for this round here. I don't want to keep this video too long. So let's look at some of the other features here. If I find any more features enough to make another video, I'll make another video here. But if you haven't watched my first video going over the first additional features, definitely check this link here right after I say peace. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Peace.